If you own Forza, you know suspension is probably worst thing about it. But did you know you can change stiffness or rear suspension? I didn't for my 2000 kilometers, so let's show you right now how. What you need is only this hook tool, which you get with your toolkit with your Forza, so you don't need to buy anything else and you are good to go. Just put it in the handle like this and you are good to go. Make sure you put your Forza on main stand so you have better access to it and better stability. Here is rear suspension. You can see there are 4 levels of stiffness. 1, which is softest, 2, 3, 4, which is stiffest. To change it, just put your tool right here in this ring and push to the left. 1, you see, second setting, third, and fourth. That's it. Now other side. 2, 3, and 4, and done. Pretty easy, right? To me, like what, 1-2 minutes, and it's changed. Let me know in comments what setting do you use, and if you like my video, please like and subscribe, and until next time, bye, see you.